If your wallet feels like it's always empty, you're probably spending on hidden money wasters. Join Money Smart Basics as we cut out 7 money wasters. And watch your savings grow faster than you can say financial freedom. Let's do this. Remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics, please leave a comment. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. Look in the description below for wealth-building tools and income opportunities. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 7 things you need to stop wasting money on if you really want to grow your wealth. We all have those little indulgences, those seemingly insignificant expenses that we brush off as treating ourselves. But let me tell you, those seemingly small expenses can add up to huge roadblocks on your journey to financial freedom. Let's get right into it. Let's be real, that daily latte might seem harmless, but it's a silent wealth killer. Every time you indulge in that creamy, frothy goodness, you're chipping away at your financial future without even realizing it. Think about it. $5 a day, 5 days a week, that's $25 a week. It might not seem like much at first glance, but those small amounts add up quickly. Now multiply that by 52 weeks in a year, and you're looking at a whopping $1,300. That's a significant chunk of change that could be put to better use, and that's just for a basic latte. Imagine if you're someone who loves to add those extra flavors and toppings, factor in those fancy syrups and extra shots, and you could easily be spending over $1,800 a year on coffee alone. Those little luxuries come with a hefty price tag. That's money that could be invested, building your future. Imagine putting that $1,800 into a savings account or an investment fund. Over time, with compound interest, that money could grow substantially. Instead of feeding the coffee shop's bottom line, invest in a good coffee maker. There are so many options available today that can brew a cup of coffee just as good, if not better, than your favorite coffee shop. You can find some amazing ones for the price of a couple weeks of lattes. Plus, making coffee at home gives you the freedom to experiment with different beans, flavors, and brewing methods. Trust me, your wallet and your taste buds will thank you. Not only will you save money, but you'll also gain a new appreciation for the art of coffee making. So next time you're tempted to buy that expensive latte, think about the long-term benefits of brewing your own coffee at home. Your future self will be grateful. We've all been there, signing up for a free trial and forgetting to cancel it, thinking it's just a small amount and won't make a difference. Or letting that streaming service subscription linger even though we haven't watched anything in months. It's easy to lose track of these small recurring charges. These unused subscriptions are like silent money leaks, draining your bank account without you even realizing it. Each small charge adds up over time, creating a significant dent in your finances. Take some time to go through your bank statements and identify any recurring subscriptions you're not actively using. It might seem tedious, but it's worth the effort. That $10 a month for a music streaming service you barely use? It might not seem like much, but it adds up. That's $120 a year. Imagine what you could do with that extra money. And that $15 a month gym membership you haven't stepped foot in for months? It's just another example of money slipping through the cracks. That's $180 down the drain. Over time, these small amounts can add up to a substantial sum. Use budgeting apps to help track and manage your subscriptions. Many apps can alert you to recurring charges and help you decide which ones to keep and which to cancel. Sometimes canceling a subscription can be as simple as making a quick phone call or sending an email. Don't hesitate to reach out to customer service if you need assistance. Redirecting the money saved from canceled subscriptions can significantly impact your financial health. Consider putting it into a savings account or investing it for future growth. Or, use the extra funds for something you truly enjoy, like a vacation or a special treat for yourself. The possibilities are endless when you reclaim your money. Cancel those unused subscriptions and redirect that money towards your financial goals. It's a simple step that can lead to significant savings and a healthier financial future. Take control of your finances today. Review your subscriptions, make the necessary changes, and watch your savings grow. You'll be surprised at how much you can save by eliminating those silent money leaks. Let's face it, that new car smell is intoxicating, but that new car smell comes with a hefty price tag and a rapidly depreciating value. The moment you drive a brand new car off the lot, it loses a significant chunk of its value. In fact, new cars can depreciate by as much as 20% in the first year alone. Instead of pouring your hard-earned money into a depreciating asset, consider buying a reliable used car. You can often find cars in excellent condition for a fraction of the price of a new one. That money you save can be used to boost your investments, pay down debt, or even take that dream vacation you've been putting off. Chapter 4. Eating out. Cook at home and bank. The difference. I get it. Cooking can be time-consuming, and sometimes that convenience of ordering takeout or grabbing a quick bite seems worth it. After a long day at work or school, the last thing you might want to do is spend an hour in the kitchen. The allure of having someone else do the cooking and the cleaning is strong. Plus, the variety of options available at restaurants can be tempting. From exotic cuisines to comfort food, the choices are endless. But trust me, those restaurant meals can eat into your budget faster than you can say check, please. Every time you dine out, you're not just paying for the food, you're also covering the cost of the restaurant's overheads like rent, utilities, and staff salaries. And let's not forget the tips and taxes. All these add up, making your meal significantly more expensive than if you had cooked it at home. Think about it. A $20 restaurant meal could easily cost you less than $5 to make at home. That's a $15 difference. When you cook at home, you have control over the ingredients and the portion sizes. You can buy in bulk, use leftovers creatively, and avoid the hidden costs of dining out. Plus, home-cooked meals are often healthier, as you can choose fresh, whole ingredients and avoid excessive fats, sugars, and salts. Now imagine cooking at home just 5 times a week instead of eating out. Not only will you save money, but you'll also have the opportunity to bond with your family or housemates. Cooking together can be a fun and rewarding experience. You can experiment with new recipes, teach your kids valuable cooking skills, and create lasting memories. Plus, the satisfaction of enjoying a meal you've prepared yourself is unmatched. That's an extra $75 a week, or $3,900 a year. Think about what you could do with that extra money. You could save for a vacation, pay off debt, or invest in something you've always wanted. The financial benefits of cooking at home are substantial and can have a significant impact on your overall budget. Start by planning your meals in advance and prepping your ingredients on the weekends. Meal planning can help you stay organized and reduce the stress of deciding what to cook each day. By having a plan, you can make sure you have all the ingredients you need and avoid last-minute trips to the grocery store. Plus, planning your meals can help you make healthier choices and avoid the temptation of fast food. You can even try batch cooking and freezing meals for those extra busy days. Batch cooking involves preparing large quantities of food at once and storing them in the freezer for later use. This can save you time and effort on busy weekdays when you might not have the energy to cook from scratch. Simply reheat a pre-prepared meal, and you're good to go. It's a convenient way to ensure you always have a homemade meal ready, even on your busiest days. Your wallet and your waistline will thank you. By cooking at home, you can control the ingredients and portion sizes, leading to healthier eating habits. You'll likely consume fewer calories, less sugar, and fewer unhealthy fats. Over time, this can contribute to weight loss and improved overall health. And as you see your savings grow, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment and financial security. So why not give it a try? Start cooking at home more often and watch the benefits unfold. Chapter 5. Designer clothes. Don't be fooled by the logo. Look, I'm not saying you need to dress like a slob, but you don't need to break the bank on designer clothes to look good and feel confident. Those designer labels come with a hefty price tag, and often you're paying for the brand name more than the actual quality of the clothing. Instead of chasing trends, focus on building a timeless wardrobe with high-quality, versatile pieces that will last you for years to come. Shop at discount stores like TJ Maxx or Marshall's, where you can often find designer brands at a fraction of the price. And don't underestimate the power of a good sale. Chapter 6. Lottery tickets. The tax on hope. Let's be real, the lottery is a tax on hope. The odds of winning the lottery are astronomically low, yet people spend billions of dollars each year chasing that elusive jackpot. Instead of throwing your money away on lottery tickets, invest that money in something that actually has a chance of growing your wealth, yourself. Invest in your education, learn new skills, or start a side hustle. These investments have a much higher return on investment than any lottery ticket ever will. Chapter 7. Impulse purchases. The enemy of wealth. We've all been there, browsing the aisles of the store and getting sucked in by those enticing displays and limited-time offers. But before you whip out your wallet, take a moment to ask yourself, do I really need this? Impulse purchases are budget killers. They're often driven by emotion rather than logic, and they can leave you with a pile of stuff you don't need and a dent in your bank account. Before making any purchase, especially a large one, give yourself a 24-hour cooling-off period. This will give you time to think it over and decide if it's a want or a need. Outro: start growing your wealth today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on growing your wealth. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making conscious choices with your money and investing in your future. Start implementing these tips today and watch your wealth grow. See you in the next video. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promised. You need to watch this if you struggle with saving money. Here's a simple tip. Track your spending for a week. You'll be shocked at where your money goes. Cut out the little expenses and watch your savings grow. Happy saving. The information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and is not intended as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content should not be construed as professional financial advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor or other professional regarding your specific financial situation. The use of any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Please remember to like, subscribe and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos.